lifetime value, right? Not looking at a point in time transaction or point of engagement, but understanding all of those points and then using that information to determine how we can curate and personalize the best experience for someone that is actively involved in boating or being on the water, considering it, and how they navigate to get the most value as they move through those stages in their life where, hey, they may live in the Midwest on Lake Michigan, but they're snowbirds, right? So when the snow comes, and it comes in the Chicagoland area, right? They're down maybe in Florida where there's a ton of Freedom Boat Club opportunities, right? So we're looking at those synergies, and maybe it's not a progression from one model of ownership to shared access, but a model of being in the Brunswick ecosystem and having those options just by virtue of being in the ecosystem. We can draw some of those conclusions, create those hypotheses without data. But what this allows us to do is to activate across some testing and hypotheses, and then get data to suggest whether our thinking was appropriate and that it made sense and there's more there. And we're using that data and multiple data points to inform how we target subsequent activation, marketing automation, and engagement.
One other tactical example that I think resonates with people, especially this year, is the world just completely changed. It did a total 180, and you do not know who your consumer is anymore. Whatever you thought you knew, they're behaving different, their priorities are different, their time profile looks different. And I'm guessing you're doing a lot of surveys, or you're about to. And you do a lot of surveys, and we do a lot of surveys because we don't know the consumer deeply enough. So our investments in our activation towards the CDP and a robust consumer profile helps to mitigate the risk of the whole world changes and you got to resurvey and learn everything all over again. This to me is an always on sourcing of consumer information so we can stay dynamic without these like massive research efforts to go relearn everything.
Absolutely. It's a great point.